What if we could use the human brain as a computer? Imagine the possibilities that would unfold before us. Imagine a world where thoughts could control devices, where the mere act of thinking could turn on lights, start a car, or even communicate with others without speaking a word. Picture a reality where knowledge and experiences could be downloaded directly into our minds. Learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or acquiring complex skills could happen in an instant. This isn't science fiction, it's a future that might be closer than we think. The advancements in neuroscience and technology are paving the way for such incredible possibilities. Today we stand at the cusp of a technological revolution, one that promises to change the very fabric of our existence. Researchers and scientists are working tirelessly to bridge the gap between human cognition and digital interfaces. This revolution promises to blur the lines between human and machine, creating a symbiotic relationship where technology enhances our natural abilities. It's a future filled with both immense promise and potential peril. The integration of technology into our minds could lead to unprecedented advancements, but it also raises significant ethical and moral questions. A future that demands careful consideration and open dialogue. We must weigh the benefits against the risks, ensuring that the path we choose respects our humanity and ethical boundaries. This is the story of the human brain as a computer, a journey into the heart of what makes us human, and the technologies that could redefine our very existence. The potential to enhance our cognitive abilities and expand our understanding of the world is immense. A journey that explores the profound connection between our emotions, thoughts, and the digital world. How will this integration affect our relationships, our creativity, and our sense of self? Join me as we explore the science, the ethics, and the profound implications of this mind-bending possibility. Together, we will delve into the research, the breakthroughs, and the debates that are shaping this extraordinary future. The journey ahead is filled with questions and discoveries. As we stand on the brink of this new era, let's embark on this exploration with curiosity, caution, and a commitment to understanding the true potential of merging our minds with technology. The idea of connecting brains to machines is not new. It has been a concept explored in science fiction for decades, capturing the imagination of writers and thinkers alike. For decades, scientists have been working on brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These interfaces are designed to create a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device, bypassing traditional neuromuscular pathways. These devices can read brain signals and translate them into commands that control external devices. By interpreting the electrical activity in the brain, BCIs can enable users to perform tasks that were previously unimaginable. Early BCIs have already shown remarkable promise. Initial prototypes, though rudimentary, demonstrated the potential of this groundbreaking technology. Paralyzed patients can now control robotic arms with their thoughts, allowing them to interact with the world in ways once thought impossible. This has opened up new avenues for rehabilitation and independence. Researchers are even developing BCIs that can restore lost senses, allowing the blind to see and the deaf to hear. These advancements are not just about mobility but also about enhancing the quality of life. These early successes offer a tantalizing glimpse into the future. The potential applications of BCIs extend far beyond medical uses, touching on areas such as communication, entertainment, and even cognitive enhancement. As BCI technology advances, the possibilities seem limitless. From controlling smart home devices to potentially augmenting human intelligence, the future of BCIs holds exciting and transformative potential for humanity. The human brain is the most complex structure in the known universe. With its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, it possesses computational power that dwarfs even the most advanced supercomputers. Imagine harnessing this power to solve complex problems, to create stunning works of art, or to develop groundbreaking technologies. The possibilities are truly awe-inspiring. By tapping into the brain's computational abilities, we could unlock new frontiers in artificial intelligence, accelerate scientific discovery, and usher in an era of unprecedented innovation. Yet, the prospect of using the human brain as a computer also raises profound ethical questions. How do we ensure that this technology is used responsibly? Who controls access to our thoughts and memories? These are not easy questions to answer. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution and engage in thoughtful dialogue about the potential risks and benefits of this technology. The future is in our hands. Let's make sure we shape it wisely. Section 5. The allure of enhanced cognition. One of the most tantalizing possibilities of brain-computer interfaces is the potential for cognitive enhancement. Imagine a world where we could download knowledge directly into our brains, bypassing traditional learning methods. In this world, learning a new language or mastering a complex skill would be as easy as pressing a button, eliminating the barriers of time and effort. This technology could revolutionize education, transforming the way we acquire knowledge and skills. It would allow students to learn at their own pace, tailoring their educational experiences to their individual needs and interests, and exploring subjects in unprecedented depth. Moreover, it could empower individuals with disabilities, providing them with tools to overcome their challenges. This would ensure they have equal access to information and opportunities, leveling the playing field in both education and employment. The potential benefits of enhanced cognition are vast, ranging from improved memory and faster problem-solving to heightened creativity and innovation. However, with these advancements come significant ethical considerations. We must ponder the implications of such technology on privacy, equity, and the very nature of human learning and intelligence. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, it is crucial to engage in thoughtful dialogue and consider the long-term impacts on society. The allure of enhanced cognition is undeniable, but it is a journey that requires careful navigation, balancing innovation with ethical responsibility. As we explore these possibilities, we must strive to create a future where technology enhances our lives while preserving our humanity. Section 6. The specter of control and manipulation. As with any powerful technology, the potential for misuse is real. In the wrong hands, brain-computer interfaces could be used to manipulate our thoughts, control our behavior, or even erase our memories. Imagine a world where governments or corporations could implant propaganda directly into our minds, where our thoughts and actions could be monitored and controlled without our consent. It's a chilling thought, but one we must confront. Safeguarding our mental privacy and autonomy will be paramount as we navigate the ethical complexities of this technology. Section 7. Redefining human connection. Brain-computer interfaces could also fundamentally alter the way we communicate and connect with one another. Imagine being able to share your thoughts and emotions directly with another person, experiencing their world through their eyes. This technology could foster deeper empathy and understanding, breaking down barriers between cultures and individuals. It could also lead to new forms of art and entertainment, allowing us to experience stories and emotions in entirely new ways. The potential for human connection is vast, but so too is the potential for misunderstanding and conflict. Section 8. The future of work and education. The integration of brain-computer interfaces into our lives would have profound implications for the future of work and education. Jobs that require manual dexterity or repetitive tasks could be automated, while new industries would emerge to develop and maintain these advanced technologies. Education would need to adapt to a world where knowledge can be acquired instantaneously. The focus would shift from rote memorization to critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. The workforce of the future will need to be adaptable, creative, and lifelong learners. Section 9. The metamorphosis of entertainment. Imagine a world where entertainment is no longer a passive experience but an immersive journey into the minds of others. Brain-computer interfaces could allow us to experience movies, video games, and virtual reality on an entirely new level, feeling the emotions of the characters and influencing the narrative with our thoughts. This could lead to a golden age of entertainment, where the line between fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred. However, it also raises concerns about addiction, escapism, and the potential for these immersive experiences to impact our perception of the real world. Section 10. A world transformed. The use of the human brain as a computer is not merely a technological advancement, it represents a fundamental shift in our relationship with technology and with ourselves. It challenges our understanding of what it means to be human and raises profound questions about the future of our species. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, we must proceed with both excitement and caution, embracing the potential benefits while mitigating the risks. The future is unwritten, and the choices we make today will determine the course of human history for generations to come. Section 11. Join the conversation. The future of brain-computer interface technology is not predetermined. It will be shaped by the choices we make, the conversations we have, and the ethical boundaries we establish. This is not just a conversation for scientists and engineers, it's a conversation that concerns us all. What do you think? How do you envision brain-computer interfaces shaping our future? Share your thoughts, your hopes, and your concerns. Together, let's explore the possibilities and navigate the challenges of this brave new world.